like a Hellcat.
Yo, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you all that how can you all download Kinemaster Mode APK on Android. So let's begin with the tutorial and the video. So first you all need to open your Google app and type Kinemaster Mode digit bin, and as you all can see, this first website, Kinemaster APK download latest version video editor digit bin. So all you need to do is just click on this website, and after the website opens, just scroll down and you will be able to see this go download page. So just click on this page and another page will appear, and once more scroll down and you all will see many options, means many more links. So you all need to do is just click on the first link, that is Kinemaster Pro Mode 4.8.13, that is of 52 MB. So let's click on this link, and after that the do you want to download Kinemaster Pro Video Editor option will appear on your screen. Then just click on download. After downloading, just install the Kinemaster Mode APK app, then it will work. Just wait a minute, I will show you that how it works. So once the download is completed, the Kinemaster app will look like this. So let me show you an example. Let's take one video. As you all can see this, there is no watermark and all the effects overlay are free. All the effects overlays are free. You can download it. As you all can see, you can download it. So this much in this tutorial. So if this tutorial worked, then please comment worked. So till then, I will see you all in the next video.